And we now know the names of the mother and son who died after what police say was a murder-suicide in Amherst Township.
The Lorain County Sheriff's Office says Risa Louks shot her 9-year-old son, Alex, before killing herself.
Annabelle Childers is live in front of the house where this happened. Annabelle, do investigators give us any sort of gauge as to what a motive might have been here?
Well, right now they believe this had to do with a custody dispute, and that's because of key pieces of evidence that they did find inside this home.
Firefighters arrived here yesterday morning just before 7:30 after a smoke detector inside triggered an alarm. The Lorain County Sheriff's Office says firefighters arrived to find both Risa and Alex Louks dead. The 9-year-old was found with one gunshot wound to the chest, and it appeared that Risa attempted to start a fire with gasoline before turning the gun on herself. Inside the home, investigators also found notes from Risa and documents calling her to appear in an emergency custody hearing.
We know that she was served some paperwork from the biological father of the child who resides in Indiana. There was some paperwork that we had discovered. And there was also some notes and stuff that were left behind. There was indications that, this was something that she had thought about or premeditated.
Court documents show Risa filed for divorce from Alex's father in summer 2019. Last week, Alex's father filed an emergency petition for temporary custody, supervised parenting time, and abatement of child support, as well as a petition for modification of custody. Court records revealed Tuesday papers were sent to both parties about an emergency hearing, and the next morning is when first responders found Risa and Alex dead. Lorain County Children's Services tells us they have been working with the family since October 4th of this year, but they won't share any more information about the family's case.
Now you can see here a memorial growing for Alex, those stuffed animals on the ground, and also balloons there. The Amherst School District confirms that Alex was a student at Powers Elementary School. At 5 o'clock, we'll share how they're supporting students there at that campus as they process the loss of Alex.
Yeah, thank goodness that is on their minds, because those students are going to need some help. Thank you so much, Annabelle.